Right now we got a greenside bunker shot, man. We're shooting for birdie right now. We're out scrambling today with Mark. We're planning to get some great buddies of mine, you know we're out here just having fun, man. You know I got a dribble on, man. Right now we're hitting a Titleist SM10 Vokey wedge. I just got this from the PJ store. Code Steph for 10% off. Basically what you want to do here is you just want to kind of get yourself into the ground, kind of open up a little bit towards the flag, and so we're just looking for a nice scoop out of the bunker, get us close, give us a shot at a nice par.
What's up, boys? It's Tells Trading here. We're out here today, man. Steph, are you actually gonna post this on YouTube? Titleist hat, even though my entire bag is tailor-made. Titleist glove, TPC Tampa Bay shirt, PGA shorts, Amazon belt, and Adidas shoes.
What are you wearing today?
So right now, by the way, I just got a new lap putter. This is a ping hat, PGA, $40. Got ourselves a Travis Matthew, a gray flowered shirt. I believe this was 70. Travis Matthew shorts, 70. Travis Matthew belt, I think 40. Got the Nike Air Maxes, keeping it classy out here. Strixon glove.
New putter alert.
Yeah, new putter. We can check it out. It's a lab putter. It's just what everybody has out here.
Day in the life of a day trader.
Right now we're gonna clutch up this par putt because Mark missed it. We have the lab putter. Everything should be totally fine. I have the line.
That's cash.
Darn it, guys.
2v2 scrambling. Steph and I are the scramble kings, so we're about to, we dug their grave on the first 9, and now we're about to bury them on the back here, so.
Fuck them.
Oh my God, come back, daddy.
Come on, cash, that's Tells Trades, baby, come on.
I'm gonna follow that one up.
They doubted me and I prevail. That's what I do. They doubt me and I prevail. Lesson in life, they doubt you, you have to stand up and you have to prevail, bro.
Real shit. Hey!
Barbecue chicken.
We'll put the top tracer on that one.
Cut the cam.
All right, we're gonna be looking at a 158. I'm gonna club up a little bit here. Quite a bit actually, but I don't know, I'm playing pretty good today. I usually play the best when I really don't try. Shit.
Maybe next time. It's not over. All right, we got 65 yards in.
I'm going with my pitching wedge. It's definitely pretty long. The sun's right in my freaking eyes. We're gonna have to tilt the bucket down a little bit. I don't know exactly how I feel about this shot.
We're so cooked, bro.
Dude, we gotta turn the camera off.
Ever since we turned the camera on, we've been playing like absolute shit.
No, I'm not even kidding. Like, I genuinely feel more pressured when the camera's on. Like, cause I know y'all are watching me. I just don't want y'all to think that I'm ass at golf, because I'm really not. Like, I haven't hit a shot like that all day, and then I swear as soon as the camera turned on, I just chunked it so bad. Like, I promise, I'm not even kidding.
Sorry, we're gonna do one more with the camera on. We're gonna do this par 3 and then we're gonna be done. Sorry, Mark's gonna clutch up. Oh, we're good.
That was so short. I chunked it. That's a fat divot that I made, but.
Yo, grown man, by the way.
Just a little A-wedge up and down. I'm not selling it for the camera anymore, guys. Like, genuinely. But first, let's see what Jackson has to do. We're kind of in the line. We're in the direct line of fire right now.
Let me stand your shoulder. Oh, wow,
oh, that might be beauty. It's gonna be a little long.
Oh, that's too long. All right.
All right, here we go. No pressure, chat.
Oh, baby. Oh, I'm so bad at the camera. Holy fuck.
I told y'all, bro. I told y'all. You know what? Why am I overreacting, bro? That's what I always.
Cut the fucking camera, man.
No, but if y'all boys haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, man. We're going crazy. And the content soon is about to go crazy in the next month, man. We're about to get live, so. Walking up to the ball after you hit a great shot like that, there's only a couple things in life that compare to it. One is, as soon as I laid my eyes on the cart girl that's been out here today, I don't know if she's seeing this, but if she is, I'll leave my number in the description yeah,
she's gonna be watching a Steph Trades YouTube video.
Hey, you never know, bro. Maybe she wants to learn how to trade. No, you're actually a dick for that. Well, that just ruined like half the satisfaction of tapping it in, but it's all right.
Welcome back to the regularly scheduled program. Let me know if you guys want to see more stuff like that. I gotta get better at golf though. Hope you guys had a good day. I did not. Actually clocked in about $7,000 of loss today. But ironically, I did just catch a dub, caught $3,000 off this trade right here. The last 5 days I've traded at night and I've literally hit every single day in a row. On my Finna Futures, I'm up over $20,000 in the last 6 days. Might have a new meta. There's a seminar I posted on my YouTube like a couple days ago. Watch that. That's literally what I'm doing. But looking at the actual trade we took today, we ended up taking 2 trades, both alerted, both losses, 30-point losses actually. I let a previous trade influence my next one and it ruined this trade for me because I would have hit TP on this, but I fucked it up. As market open approach, we literally just kept dumping. Ended up basically coming into my previous demand zone. This was our first one. We broke our first one. Usually you guys know I trade supply and demand. I was looking for buyers in this area. We broke through this. Kind of gave me kind of a heads up. I'm looking for a retest of this to then continue down. Once I saw that we held this demand zone, you guys know supply and demand. Demand is obviously a place where our buyers are supposed to come in. That's exactly what happened right here. We had buyers come up. Huge volume comes into the buy side. We see a bunch of buyers come in, take shorts right here, hoping just for a continuation of this trend. You know, just because we have one giant green candle like this doesn't mean that this big downtrend is over. You know, I look for retests all the time. And of course, you guys see the title, man. I ended up losing this trade for 30 points, which was totally okay. This is pre-market. This is around 9 o'clock. You know, I like to do, sometimes I like to get into trades like, you know, right before market opens up, because if I can find the initial move when market opens up, all the volume comes in and you can really start to take advantage of, you know, getting in early. That's what I was essentially trying to do. You know, we had this huge sell-off. Hope you guys understand why I decided to take that trade, because again, continuation sell-off, broke into this demand zone already. You know, we were expected to see buyers here. Boom, sellers completely took control. Coming back out into this one, we see the buyers come in. Yes, we saw a giant candle, a lot of volume, and of course, that close is not good, but at that point, we were already down, you know, 15 points. Decided to hold through. Looked for the move. You see, you know, price got all the way down to here at a point, which is nice, but buyers just ended up taking over at this low. You know, in big hindsight, of course, you know, I should have taken a better trade, but I'm not mad at it at all. Also, the fact that you're looking at this as a previous low, a lot of times you'll see price when you form a low, you'll see this end up happening. You'll see the low get established. You'll see buying back, breaking of this low, retesting this for a continuation down. At that point, bias completely took over the market, and then I, you know, understood that, so I switched my bias. I saw that, okay, we made this low. Until we break this low, I'm going to be taking longs, and that's exactly what I was looking for, but we got stopped out. I took this trade on the 2-minute. Trend was super duper choppy, and we ended up getting in at literally the worst time ever. This was the actual trade, if you can see right here. Initially, what I saw on the 2-minute was, yes, buyers coming in, taking control ever since we found that low. Pretty choppy, but today specifically, for some reason, there was no news. Candles had a lot of volume. These were 30, 40, 50-point candles, which is normally not the case. Inherently taking a 30-point loss already, I was down in the day. I didn't have the drawdown. I didn't want to take more risk on myself than I normally would. Especially on Monday, coming off a $9,000 day, I really didn't want to, you know, take that all away. But in the end, it actually kind of ruined my day. You see price comes up, obviously. We start to sell off slightly. I was automatically looking for longs once we sold off. You guys see in hindsight how good this looks for longs. I hope you guys understand that. Why we see a lot of buyers come in, finally start to see a sell-off, and look at that giant bottom wick we made right back above, close above this EMA. I didn't take longs just then because, understand, that would have gave me almost a 45-point SL. This was that initial low we made on the 5-minute. Price starts to chop. We have this nice green candle come in. It gets rejected. Red candle sells off, but still is holding this low. Once I saw this buy come in, because this candle initially opened up down, bought back up, fully closed at this low. I thought we had a nice, you know, confirmation of buyers under us. Jumped in right there. SL at the bottom of this. Honestly, SL should have been right here, but please understand this. That was a 50-point SL. That would put me down 80 points in the day. That would be pretty much exactly what I made yesterday. And for some reason, I decided, Steph, you need to limit risk. You're already down a trade. Do not take the full SL. Because in every scenario ever, my SL would always be at the bottom of this wick. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to take this because this would be a 30-point SL, which it was. And if we get stopped out of that, then the trade will be over. And, you know, we would have saved ourselves 20 points because if it breaks this, it breaks this. And you guys can see what happened. We would have hit full TP for 80 points, putting myself over 40 points in profit on the day, basically. All because I decided that I wanted to, hey, I'm already down on the day. I need to minimize my risk. I need to not take the correct setup. And I fucked up. And that's exactly why you need to make sure every trade you take consistently New blank slate every single time. Yes, your strategy needs to depend on being very, similar to the last, but do not let any trade previously influence you on the next trade because it will dig you a deeper hole, and that's exactly what happened today. I had an opportunity to take a trade where I should have had a 50-point SL. Every single scenario ever, I'm taking a 50-point SL in this trade because, again, that's the level that it gave me. It gave me this wick all the way down to here. Entry was here. I would have to put a 50-point SL, which is totally okay because we targeted 75. Still profit, still a positive RR. But I decided to get a little bit fucking sleazy because I thought I could, try and save myself some points. If I do lose it, that, hey, I might have saved myself some money. But that wasn't the setup. There was no scenario where I should have put it to that level anyways. And it bit me in the ass. And that's exactly what happened today. So look, goes to show you, learn from my mistakes. Don't go golfing anymore. Don't, bro, please, bro, I'm so shit. I'm just bad at everything. But like I said, we did end on a loss on that. But again, we hopped on my foot in futures about an hour ago. We took a really good trade. Caught 40 points, man. We're slowly eating back on that, but I'm doing pretty good. I hope you guys are too. I really appreciate all you guys watching this stuff. Please let me know if you want to see more vlog style stuff, man. A lot more of my personal life. Making sure you guys are getting educated, but also, seeing more about my life. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck tomorrow.